What do you think? What do you think? That was cool. Alright, so we got into our room here at the Great Wolf Lodge, and I had to come out and move the car and get the last of the stuff. Getting in was a little bit of a hassle, because only one person from your party can go in the lobby, and you have to wear masks due to a state order. But we are in our room, and so we'll show you guys around. I'm just getting the last of the drinks and stuff here. Cool little wristband system, RFID, lets us in our room. Here we are. It's a big room, isn't it? And it's what? It's cold in here.
63 degrees in this room.
Love it. Leave that sucker there.
See that it was making me sleepy. Stop keeping my eyes open to sleep. That's 6 degrees.
All kinds of room in here. Little closet area. Bathroom. Here's the sink. Little kitchenette. I guess you call that a kitchenette. Here's a refrigerator, microwave. They keep their Braxtons right here on this bed. Big TV.
Look at me. Dad, look at me.
So this is just
Look at me.
look at you. He's already in the bed. This is just a standard room with 2 beds. And then around this little half wall, you've got a couch and a desk,
Hey guys, try to see me.
some drawer space.
Your Dr. Bingo is in the house.
This room was $100 cheaper in Kansas City than it was in.
$100 cheaper in Kansas City than the Grapevine location. There are a few less amenities at this Great Wolf Lodge, so that's part of the cost difference. We do have a patio. If I can figure out how to get out of it. Oh. There we go. Yeah, a little patio area. Parking lot view. That's all right. All right, everybody ready to head to the pool? bucket dump on him. What do you think? What do you think? That was cool. Okay, so how was the surprise? Is it a good surprise?
I thought it was kind of cute.
Brooks, come here. Was this a good surprise? Are we going to watch story time?
Yeah.
Story time.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
And of course, to end the best day ever, we decided to roast marshmallows on the campfire. Do you guys like marshmallows?
You like marshmallows?
Yeah.
S'mores? Okay, raise your
Yeah.
hand. Your part of the s'mores is the chocolate. That was very entertaining. You don't like that? Sorry. Okay. So we're telling a story. Would you like to join us today?
All right, so got us some food from the Hungry Wolf. Got a pizza, some spaghetti and meatballs, and the garlic bread looks pretty good, doesn't it? April loves her some garlic bread. Braxton requested the spaghetti. Keep it over the plate, Brooksy.
Everybody look at this.
Oh my word. How is it? How is it? Good. Thumbs up.
It's really good.
Wow, look at that. Oh man. How is it? You okay? What you'd expect? Was that so fun?
Yeah. I hope you subscribe. Thanks for watching us. I hope you subscribe.